Ever wanted to travel the USA on a budget? Today, we're going to unravel the secret to affordable exploration across the states, serving up practical, easy-to-follow tips that won't break the bank. So, buckle up for this journey. Well, you're in the right place. First off, planning ahead is key. It's like setting the stage for a grand performance. Start by scouting for deals on flights and accommodations well in advance. Early bird catches the worm, right? Consider traveling off-season. It's less crowded, and you know what? It's often cheaper. And don't forget to do your homework. Look for free or inexpensive attractions. Museums, parks, local festivals, they can all add charm to your travel without burning a hole in your pocket. Remember, a well-planned trip can save you a lot of money. Next, being flexible can go a long way. When you're traveling on a budget, adaptability becomes your best friend. If you're open to different travel dates, you might find cheaper flights during off-peak times. Considering different locations could also expose you to hidden gems that are kinder to your wallet. And let's not forget transportation options. Sometimes a bus or train might be more cost-effective than flying. So keep an open mind and be ready to seize any budget-friendly opportunities that come your way. Another key point is to eat smart. When traveling, it's tempting to indulge in fancy restaurants, but your wallet might not thank you. Instead, explore local markets. They're often less pricey, plus you'll get a taste of the area's culture. Street food is another great option. It's inexpensive and absolutely delicious. And don't forget, packing snacks can save you from impulse buys when hunger strikes. As you can see, eating smart not only saves you money, but also enriches your travel experience. All right, these are just a few tips to help you travel the USA on a budget. Remember, plan ahead, stay flexible, and eat smart to make the most of your journey. If you want more tips like these, don't forget to subscribe.